Hi guys, so today I want to show you how to make this paper fan. This is a watermelon, and today I'll show you how to make the kiwi and a bonus one, which is a palm leaf. So please watch the video till the end and let's get started. So what you're gonna need for this project are scissors, papers of different colors, glue, and watercolor pens. For this you can also use pencils or acrylic paint or whatever you have at home. So let's get started. So first of all, fold the brown paper. We are making a kiwi, so we'll use all the colors that kiwis have, and I'm not using black because okay, that side is not straight. Let's fold the other one. We won't be using black because instead of using black paper for the seeds, we'll use these pens. So you have folded the black paper, then again on the other side. Yeah. Then what you're gonna do is you'll cut it up. So guys, I have cut it up and then again cut it like this. So we are gonna be using them for the brown outer coating of the kiwi. Next, fold your paper in half and cut it along this line. Like this. After cutting it, take some glue. You can skip this step if you're planning to make a larger one. For that you can use 2 A4 size papers, but for now I want a small one, so I'm just dividing the single page in half. Wait, let me fix the glue. You know, this always happens when you leave your glue open for long enough. Add a tiny bit of glue. After gluing, we'll stick the other one here, like this. Then wait for it to dry. So guys, it has dried. Now what we'll do is fold it in half, like this. Then again fold these parts in half as well, and keep doing it until you have enough folds. Then again fold it here, and then move it up here and make a fold once again. Then again make a fold here, then here. Keep doing this until you have the desired number of folds. Like this. So this side is done. Let's do the other side. Here. Here. And again here. So done. Now you can glue these on the edge. So yeah, I have noticed that this is kind of thick, and also this much is not enough, so I'm making the strips a bit thinner. So guys, I have made these strips a bit thinner, and let's glue them to the sides. Okay, this glue is planning to irritate me once again. Here you go. Yeah. Next, glue the strip on like this, and you'll start to notice that this thing needs a bit more of these strips, so yeah, let's glue that up as well like this. Next, what you're gonna do is cut the excess off and do this for the other side. So guys, I'm done. Next, what you're gonna do is cut the white paper as well. So cut off a strip, probably this size. This is gonna be for the middle of the kiwi, because you know middle of the kiwi is white. Okay, I again need an extra one, so just cut it to the same size as well. And it's no problem if it's a bit uneven, because kiwis are natural, and natural things like fruits can always be uneven, so that's just gonna make it look more natural. Don't worry. Now take some glue once again and again. Next, fold the fan. Okay, don't fold it, instead just fold the fan like this to find out the middle of it. Yeah, so that's where we're supposed to glue it up. Put the glue on the other side of the strip. After that, place it this way in the middle. Try to find the middle. Yeah. And then just cut it off. And that's it. Now we're gonna make the seeds. Make sure to make plenty of them. Yeah. So I'm using the black one like this. Fill the whole thing up with seeds. So I'm done. Now you'll start folding it. Do the fan fold. Again, keep continuing this till the end. So guys, I'm already done folding it. It already starts to look like a kiwi. What you're gonna do it next is you'll just fold this part in half like this and do the same for this part. So I'm already done with that. Now the most fun part, glue it up. So yeah, this video actually took quite long, so I guess I'll have to do a part 2 for the palm. So stay tuned, I'll post that soon. Yeah, I guess we'll also need some glue for the middle because this doesn't seem to stay together. Yeah,